Alright guys, so today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do a little bass fishing. It's snowing outside, it's freezing cold. One of our water treatment plants here discharges some of their warm water into one of the rivers by my house. So I'm hoping I can find a couple fish. The only two lures I'm letting myself use today are a jerkbait and a jig. Two of my least favorite lures, but they're known to be good winter lures, and I need to just keep working on them, keep getting better at using them. So that's all I'm going to be using today. Yeah, hoping to get on some fish. I know there's some smallmouth in here sometimes. There's largemouth, white bass. I'm afraid I'm just going to start catching a bunch of white bass on the jerkbait, but we'll see. If this doesn't work out, I'm going to go try a pond nearby, and yeah, we'll just see what's going on. Alright, so change of plans. Fished that little hot water outlet, got completely skunked. So I'm going to head out to a golf course and fish some ponds that I've never fished before. I figure nobody's going to be out on the golf course right now, considering there's snow on the ground, so at least I probably don't have to worry about getting kicked out. I'm not sure if you're supposed to fish these or not. I mean, technically they're city property, so as long as I'm not bugging golfers, I should be okay. But yeah, we're gonna try those out. There's 2 or 3 that I'm gonna hop back and forth from and see if I can't catch something. I have no idea if there's fish in them at all, so we're just gonna do a little exploring. I ended up getting one over there under this bridge just on that side yesterday. Trying to like teach myself to be patient and drag it slow as hell. Really hard. Dude. Pitching game is not strong right now.
Yeah, once you go under that little bridge, they'll like bed all through there.
By the lily pads and stuff?
Not even that far,
like
South Shore. There it is.
Oh. That was a terrible hook set.
You didn't get enough stepping back.
I didn't, dude. I'm telling, dude, it's always out on the end of the cast.
Yep.
It's a bunch of crap. What the hell? They were hauling ass. Dude, they have like a fake dog that they have next to the pond at Redtail.
Oh, to scare off like birds?
That's a good fish. Decent. Get on in here. In the snow. That's what I'm talking about. You got one?
I think so.
I would do it.
Sure I
They've been eating them pretty good. That's a nice little fish.
This one's all about what you wouldn't throw, though.
Oh, for sure.
I might just put a frog on it, see what
Yeah, you probably could.
I know I have one.
Just that little structure jig and a rage menace. Dude, finally fishing slow paid off. Finally. See you later. It's a decent fish too. There's one. Finally catching some winter jig fish. Got him good right in the top of the mouth. It's not big, but man, it feels good to get a jig bite. I've been working for a jig bite. Working on it. First one I had on was a stud. Hoping there's a few more under here.